Missed your Galaxy Z Fold 7 promo bonus? Here's how to claim it. Did you miss out on the promotional bonus for your Galaxy Z Fold 7 pre-order? Don't worry, there are still options available for you. If you place an order for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7, or Flip 7 FE, and later discover that you didn't receive the enticing $50 bonus credit, there's still hope to claim it. While canceling your order and reordering might seem like a straightforward solution, it's not necessarily the best course of action at this moment. Your current order could face delays, especially if it's already in transit, and you might not be able to secure the same storage capacity or color that you initially selected. To enhance your experience, consider signing up for our Mystery Box program and pre-ordering the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7, or Flip 7 FE today. By doing so, you can secure a complimentary mystery box. Each mystery box is filled with valuable items, including a premium phone case, a screen protector, a cleaning kit, and a desktop phone stand, all at no cost to you. This offer is available for U.S. customers only. If you find yourself in a situation where you miss the promotional bonus for your Galaxy Z Fold 7 pre-order, there's still a viable path forward. The most effective approach right now is to reach out to Samsung support through their live chat feature and directly request that the bonus be applied to your order. Many customers have successfully done this, although it's important to note that there are no guarantees. If your order is already placed, this is your best option. While canceling and reordering may have been a feasible solution earlier in the leak, that opportunity may have passed. For those who haven't yet placed their order, there's a much simpler way to avoid any potential complications. Orders made through our link are automatically eligible for the $50 Samsung credit, as well as the mystery box bonus. There's no need for additional codes or support chats. Simply add the device to your cart and proceed to checkout as you normally would. Plus, you can claim a free mystery box when you pre-order the Galaxy Z Fold 7 or any other new devices using our link, which is an offer you won't find if you order from other sources. Each mystery box is packed with exciting accessories, including a premium phone case, a screen protector, a cleaning kit, and a desktop phone stand. But that's not all. There may be even more surprises waiting for you inside. After all, it's called a mystery box for a reason or two. You won't incur any additional costs, and we even take care of the shipping fees. This exclusive offer is available only in the US. So, what do you think? Don't miss out. Sign up for our Mystery Box program and pre-order the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7, or Flip 7 FE today to secure your free mystery box. Each mystery box includes a premium phone case, the screen protector, a cleaning kit, and a desktop phone stand, all completely free. US only. Samsung Foldables and Galaxy Watch 8 series. Get free gift cards with purchase. Attention all tech enthusiasts. If you're considering a new Samsung Foldable or the Galaxy Watch 8 series, you'll be pleased to know that these devices still come with a delightful bonus, a gift card. According to Hadley Simons from Android Authority, these enticing offers can be found exclusively on Amazon. The bonuses come in the form of Amazon gift cards or credits specifically for the Galaxy Watch 8. Plus, these deals are available across all color options, giving you the freedom to choose your favorite look. Let's dive into the specifics of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and Z Flip 7 FE. One notable change from the pre-order phase is that the complimentary storage upgrade is no longer included. Additionally, the gift card associated with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 has seen a decrease from 300 to 200. However, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 still offers a $200 gift card, while the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE comes with a $100 gift card. Ryan Haynes from Android Authority expresses enthusiasm about Samsung's expanded options this year, catering to a wider range of users. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is an excellent choice for those who desire a foldable device with a spacious tablet-like display. If you lean towards flip phones but seek a more premium experience, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is the way to go. For those who want a high-quality flip phone without breaking the bank, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE is a fantastic option. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic, and Watch Ultra 2025. If you're eager to purchase one of these new smartwatches, you'll find that the promotional offer is quite similar to what was available during the pre-order phase. When you buy the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, you'll receive a $50 promotional credit. This differs slightly from the traditional gift card approach, but it streamlines the process. Instead of having to redeem a gift card manually, Amazon will directly credit the $50 to your account, making it more convenient. C. Scott Brown from Android Authority points out that if you prefer the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 or Watch 8 Classic, you'll actually receive a $100 gift card, rewarding you for your purchase. It's refreshing to see that Samsung continues to offer free gift cards with their latest products. Why absence of storage updates is a bit disappointing, it's important to appreciate the offers that are still available. After all, you can't always have everything you want, so take advantage of these promotions while they last, as they are likely to disappear soon. Don't miss out on the chance to snag these deals. Unboxing the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Watch 8 mystery box. Imagine getting your hands on the latest Samsung devices, like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Watch 8, and receiving a mysterious box filled with exciting accessories to enhance your experience. If you're familiar with Sammy Guru's Mystery Box program, you know that it's a game changer for those who pre-order new Samsung products. Currently, the program is live for the new Foldables and watches, giving you the chance to score some amazing freebies when you pre-order through their website. But here's the exciting part. We're about to unbox the combo mystery box for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Watch 8, and you won't want to miss what's inside. The program is only available until July 24th, so act fast to get your hands on these incredible devices and the exclusive mystery box. With the mystery box filled with a range of accessories, you can expect to find a tempered glass outer screen protector, a camera lens ring protector for the bay, a replacement inner films, a screen protector application kit, a protective minutes with hinge protection, portable phone stands, candy treats, a cleaning kit, a data cable set, Watch 8 8 Classic case in a random color, and a Watch 8 Classic strap in a random color. You'll be fully equipped to enjoy your new device. And as a bonus, you might even receive a Galaxy Buds 3 Pro silicone cover with a keychain, or a $10 Google Play or Amazon gift card, which is included in 1 out of every 10 boxes. But how do you participate in this amazing program? It's simple. First, pre-order an eligible device using the affiliate links provided on the Sammy Guru website, such as the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, Galaxy Watch 8, Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, or Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. Then, complete the verification form to provide your shipping address and a screenshot of your completed order. Once verified, the mystery box will be shipped to your address at no additional cost. Now we want to hear from you. What do you think about the mystery box program? Are you excited about the possibility of receiving a free box of accessories with your new Samsung device? Let us know in the comments below. And this is the part most people miss. The mystery box program is only available for a limited time, so don't wait to pre-order your new Samsung device and get your hands on this amazing offer.